So we're doing another blind reaction to another airport in Lagos. This one is called Lagos International Airport is changing fast. See the construction update. These construction updates have been kind of dope, so let's get into this. By the way, thank you guys so much. This is really life-changing, so appreciate the comments, appreciate the shares, the subscriptions. Please keep it up. It's really helping the channel, really helping it grow, so thank you guys so much. Let's get into this.
Muhammed International Airport, and this is the progress made so far. Just a few months ago, work began with the construction of a modern temporary.
Here's a question I got. Since it's being built, how much are you guys getting? How much are people getting paid to work at this construction site? Like, is it good money? Is it consistent? Is it a union? Like, what's the work like at this construction site?
International terminal to ensure passengers could continue flying while the airport underwent one of the most ambitious redevelopment projects in Nigeria's aviation history. Since then, Terminal 1 has been completely shut down and stripped back to its structural frame for a full-scale reconstruction. Now,
I did a reaction a while ago where they had a temporary terminal, and that temporary terminal looked at about as better, almost better than a lot of airports, regular terminals.
Another major phase has officially commenced, the redesign and expansion of Terminal 2. These developments are not isolated projects. They form part of a comprehensive master plan to transform Murtala Muhammed International Airport into a modern, world-class aviation hub capable of serving millions of passengers more efficiently while enhancing safety, comfort, and operational capacity. In today's video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the project, from the redesign and expansion of Terminal 2 to the construction of the new airport road network, the latest update on Terminal 1, the future of the temporary terminal, and a complete overview of what passengers can expect over the coming months.
I hope this thing is done when I get there, because I want to see the finished product when I get there.
Terminal 2 renovation progress. One of the questions I receive most often is Terminal 2 simply getting a facelift, or is it being rebuilt? The answer is that this is much more than a cosmetic upgrade. According to the Minister of Aviation and Aerospace Development, Mr. Festus Keyamo, SAN, Terminal 2 is undergoing a comprehensive redesign and expansion that will significantly improve passenger experience and airport operations.
If you walk into Terminal 2 now, which is even the new one, we are still touching the new one, spending so much money on it. If you walk into the new terminal now, what do you notice? You are passed through there. You have to now take your bags up to departure. So when you arrive, it's not going straight to departure. And that's a design error all over the world. There's no airport you are coming in to in the whole world where you have one door, but there's only one door. What if there's a stampede? How can you have one entrance into a big international airport, but there's only one entrance? If you go to all international airports, you see more than 7 entrances. We say even the old one, as you're being dropped off, you see different.
Even the small one here in Sacramento has multiple entrances. So yeah, in fact, I want to say every airport has its own entrance, and we're a small airport in Sacramento.
Different doors, different entrances.
A, B, C, D, and
even the old one. If you remember the old one, Terminal 1. If you remember, picture it. You have different doors.
You have the Qatar,
exactly.
The BA.
God bless you. You have the picture in your head. Picture this new one, only one door. How? So now, and then when you walk, like I said, when you drive in, you have to now go climb up with your bags, haul them either through the lift or escalator. And God will forgive you if it's not working. You have to then physically climb the stairs with your bags. So now,
with that slope of an elevator, oh, hell no. If that escalator broke down and you gotta carry that up that slight, that slope, that's brutal. And that might be fine if you have one luggage. Maybe you just tough it out. But people don't just fly with one luggage. People fly with 2 or 3 luggages. Yeah, that's brutal.
Once you pass the army checkpoint now, you know there's an army checkpoint just before the airport. We are now designing a bridge. Immediately after the army checkpoint, you are going to veer off the road and then a bridge will begin to climb that takes you straight to the second floor of that new terminal. Yeah. So that takes you straight to now departure. We are putting a bridge there. It takes you to departure. Do you understand me? And so you come down there.
There'll be a drop-off.
A drop-off. And
so
then
now you usually drop off.
Straight.
You drop off at one car park.
At one car park.
That takes you.
And then you have to haul your bags up. So now it will just pass, that bridge will just pass by the door, by that glass frame of that second floor. Yeah. And so you now do, you now stop there and then walk in straight into departure.
So describe to us.
That bridge goes round. That bridge goes round. It's a circular bridge. It goes round again all the way.
One of the most important improvements is the expansion of the terminal building itself. Currently, the international terminal relies heavily on a single main entrance and exit, a layout that has long been considered inadequate for one of West Africa's busiest international airports. As part of the redesign, additional entrances and exits will be created to improve passenger movement, reduce congestion, and provide easier access during peak travel periods. Looking at the proposed architectural model, we can clearly see how the new entrance roads will function. Unlike the current layout, where nearly all departing passengers enter through a single access point before taking escalators or elevators to the departure hall, the redesigned system introduces a much more direct approach. Passengers will have easier access to the departures level, creating a smoother and more efficient airport experience.
We're going to be doing a lot of work to T2. I know a number of people have asked to say, look, what exactly is wrong with Terminal 2? When Terminal 2 was initially built, there was a litigation with the Federal Airports Authority of Nigeria and a concessionaire around the existing location. As such, the dimensions and the sizing of where T2 was built had to be reduced to accommodate the area that was available. We thank the federal government because we've now taken a look at the overall master plan. We've seen that there's some hangars who are actually obstructing the area. We're able to relocate those hangars. That way we can actually extend the finger in T2. Terminal 2 will now be able to accommodate additional 15,000 square meters.
Nice.
And let me tell you what that does. It's not just about increase in space. It's really the fact that in today's environment, we're actually able to only process one wide body aircraft at a time. So for those of you who fly the likes of British Airways, Lufthansa, and KLM, you realize that you're landing in Terminal 2 today, but we're still moving you over, or you're checking in from Terminal 2, but we're still asking you to go through the finger in T1.
Why is there only one large carrier at a time? Is that normal for most airports? I don't know that for a fact. I really don't know.
Will stop post this reconstruction because we can actually use T2 as a fully functional facility where we can take more wide body aircraft and you can actually go through the finger. So if you think about the scope of work for this exercise, it's one, the complete reconstruction of Terminal 1. It is building a transit area. It is also extending the finger of Terminal 2. In addition to the T2 extension, I'm sure most of you know about the congestion that we have at the airport due to some of the design issues that exist. So if you come in through Terminal 2 today, you're actually coming in at the higher level, or the lower level, sorry. So you're coming in at L1 and you're taking escalators with all of your luggage upstairs. That will stop because we're constructing new access, so entry and exit into the airport area so that you have more space for you to flow in terms of the traffic flow. You're also able to come in at the same level, so we're putting less pressure on all of the equipment and infrastructure that we have. So I'm really excited to see more of a prominent area, more green spaces around our airport environment, and of course the entry and exit within the airport area much more improved.
But my question is, maybe I missed it. If I come into the first level, or whichever level I'm going to come at for the departure, do I still got to take my bags upstairs in this new area, or can I just walk in, drop my bags off, and then go to my departure gate? Because that's what I'm used to. I'm used to being able to walk in the gate, go to where I'm supposed to go to, like say Delta, go to the Delta counter, check in, do my ticket thing, and then drop my bags off, and then I get another, like another ticket saying this is what your baggage is and all that stuff, and then go upstairs to the departure or go to the area for departure and where is it? What else I gotta do? Is it gonna be like that? This new terminal gonna be like that?
Another major component of the project is the expansion of the aircraft apron. The apron is where aircraft park, board passengers, refuel, and receive ground services. By expanding this area, the airport will be able to accommodate more aircraft simultaneously, including larger wide-body jets used on long-haul international routes. This will increase operational capacity while preparing Lagos for future passenger growth.
Okay.
The
So you're getting more to come in. You're gonna have more planes coming in, more planes, getting ready to come and go. Okay, sounds pretty good.
complete airport project overview. The redevelopment of Murtala Muhammed International Airport goes far beyond upgrading two terminals. It is a complete transformation of the airport complex. Let's look at the 6 major components of the project. Terminal 1 Rehabilitation. Terminal 1 is undergoing a complete reconstruction. The rehabilitation includes a brand new exterior facade, a complete interior renovation, replacement of mechanical and electrical systems, new entrance canopies, and structural strengthening to modern engineering standards. Rather than carrying out minor repairs, engineers are rebuilding the terminal to provide a safer, more efficient, and modern passenger experience.
Okay.
Terminal 2 Expansion. Terminal 2 will receive major upgrades including a redesigned arrival hall, improved passenger platforms, new mechanical and electrical infrastructure, a modern entrance canopy, construction of a skywalk, expansion of the aircraft apron, expansion of boarding bridge areas, and property acquisition where necessary to support future growth. These improvements will increase passenger capacity while allowing the airport to handle larger international aircraft more efficiently. A new transfer hub. The hub will feature a modern architectural design, upgraded passenger spaces, and advanced mechanical and electrical systems. Roads and bridges.
Very important.
Surface transportation is receiving just as much attention as the terminals themselves. The project includes new departure roads, new arrival roads, additional bridges, and improved internal road connections. These upgrades are designed to reduce congestion while improving traffic flow throughout the airport. Temporary departure terminal. Before Terminal 1 closed, the airport constructed a modern temporary departure terminal. Although designed as a temporary facility, it includes steel structures.
See, this is kind of the interest I'm used to right here. But obviously more doors, so this is kind of what I'm used to. And I wonder why, they explained it already in the video, but yeah, it's strange that it wasn't like this. The original one wasn't like this before.
Structural construction, modern mechanical and electrical systems, passenger waiting areas, check-in facilities, security screening, and boarding gates.
And will there be a business lounge? Gotta have a business lounge.
This temporary terminal has allowed international operations to continue without major disruption while reconstruction work progresses. Central Square landscaping. The final component focuses on creating a welcoming first impression. The central square in front of the airport will receive extensive landscaping, including trees and ornamental plants, internal water supply systems, new curbs, modern paving, and improved pedestrian walkways.
And also, too, where are the pickups for like taxi, Uber, and stuff like that?
These improvements will enhance both the beauty and functionality of Nigeria's busiest international airport. New airport road network progress. One of the most impressive aspects of the redevelopment is the construction of an entirely new airport road network. Although many people focus on the terminals, the road system will fundamentally change how passengers move through the airport. Once completed, motorists will travel directly from the Army checkpoint into the airport, with easier access to both Terminal 1 and Terminal 2.
Nice.
Passengers will also be able to reach either the upper departure level or the lower arrival level more efficiently. The redesigned layout is expected to improve traffic circulation, reduce congestion, and create a more seamless travel experience.
Nice.
Construction is progressing rapidly. Across the site, reinforced concrete pillars have already been completed, and several elevated road sections are now taking shape. With each passing week, the overall design becomes more visible, offering a glimpse of what the finished airport will look like. Beyond improving traffic flow, the new roads will also enhance the airport's appearance, creating a more modern gateway into Lagos.
Once you guys get this together, this will be a great first impression of Lagos when you come in. Be a great first impression of Nigeria. Because it looks like it's going to be beautiful when it's done.
Terminal 1 construction update. Now let's move to Terminal 1. As many viewers already know, the terminal has been completely closed for reconstruction. The interior has been stripped down to its structural framework, allowing engineers to begin strengthening the building before installing new systems and finishes. Work is currently focused on structural reinforcement while preparations continue for the installation of a completely new facade and modern airport infrastructure. From the latest construction footage, progress is clearly visible. Construction teams remain on site every day as they work toward the project's estimated 22-month completion target.
22 months. It's pretty fast.
Although there is still a considerable amount of work ahead, the pace of construction suggests that the redevelopment is moving steadily forward. Answering your questions. One of the best parts of this channel is hearing directly from all of you. Thank you for your comments, suggestions, and thoughtful questions. Let's answer some of the most common ones. What will happen to the temporary terminal?
Yeah.
Many viewers have asked whether the temporary terminal will be demolished once Terminal 1 reopens.
I think I should keep it. And you just have 3 terminals.
Based on the information currently available, the answer is no. Airport authorities have indicated that the structure is expected to remain and will likely be repurposed for other airport operations. Although its future use has not yet been officially announced, it is not expected to be dismantled. How long will construction take? The airport modernization project is expected to take approximately 22 months. Like any major infrastructure project, however, timelines can be affected by weather conditions, equipment deliveries, technical adjustments, and other unforeseen factors. Nevertheless, the visible progress on site suggests that work is advancing at a steady pace. How much will the entire project cost? The complete modernization of Murtala Muhammed International Airport is estimated to cost 712 billion naira. This investment covers the rehabilitation of Terminal 1, the expansion of Terminal 2, the new transfer hub, temporary terminal facilities, expanded aprons, new roads and bridges, upgraded passenger infrastructure, and extensive landscaping. It represents one of the largest airport redevelopment projects currently underway in Nigeria. When completed, this project will completely transform Murtala Muhammed International Airport. Passengers can expect modern terminals, improved traffic flow, expanded aircraft capacity, better connectivity, upgraded passenger facilities, and a much more efficient travel experience. More importantly, the redevelopment reflects Lagos's ambition to strengthen its position as one of Africa's leading aviation hubs and prepare for the growing demand for international travel in the decades ahead. This is more than just an airport renovation.
Especially with so many Black Americans coming back to the continent, you really want to get this going. Because I think we're going to be traveling a lot, so we may be using this airport a lot personally.
It's a long-term investment in Nigeria's future. Thank you so much for watching this update. If you have any questions about the project, leave them in the comments below. I read your comments regularly and will answer as many as I can in future videos. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates on Lagos, Nigeria, and major infrastructure projects shaping the future of Africa. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.